Efficient and seamless communication is the need of the hour for every organization. But it's frustrating to be dependent on your service management solution provider for even small, day-to-day tasks like changing templates, signatures, or auto responses. What's more, these solutions are tailored for specific departments, are inflexible, and require expensive critical updates. Today's dynamic business scenario demands a cloud-based solution. Just like OTRS. With our cloud solution, creating an agent is quick, easy, and free within your contract level. Forget shelling out up to six-figure costs for additional licenses. On the admin interface, click on Create Agent. Then, click on Create New Agent. Fill in the required information and click on Submit. You can even assign these agents to groups with specific permissions. One agent can belong to different groups to accomplish versatile tasks. OTRS cuts down the delay in responding back to customer queries using queues. Queues are like email inboxes shared between different teams, departments, or subsidiaries of your organization. You can assign groups to queues, thus allowing all agents within a group to view and answer incoming customer requests, eliminating the response delay and improving customer experience. Easily add, rearrange, and remove queues, making your communication transparent and flexible. Simply click on Queues, click on Add Queue, fill out all the relevant details. Assign an email address to the queue, which would be the destination address for customer queries. Assign an answer template, and you are done. Creating a full-fledged queue structure can be complicated. Let our experts do it for you. With OTRS, adding, modifying, or removing response templates is easy. Every queue can have its own response template and in a different language. Simply click on Templates at bottom left. Click on Add Template. Choose the type of communication. Write your text. Add an attachment if required. Click on Submit. And your template is ready. To assign a template to a queue, click on Templates, then click on Queues. Select the template you want to assign and check if it is relevant to other departments. You can also add signatures, salutations, and auto-responses to queues. OTRS offers you feature add-ons, ensuring significant cost and time savings. This is why 170,000 organizations in almost 200 countries worldwide use OTRS. Get in touch with our sales team today.